In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the new tab page in the Brave browser. Let's start right on a new tab. Open Brave and press the plus icon to create a new tab. In the top right corner, look for the Customize button. It usually looks like a small pencil or a settings wheel. Click that to open the Customization panel. This panel controls the visual elements you see every time a new tab appears. Here, you can change the background to something more appealing, switch between different styles, or keep it simple and clean. You can also decide whether your top sites show up as quick shortcuts. If you prefer a minimal workspace, turn them off. And if you want fewer distractions, look for the options related to sponsored images or ads on the new tab page and disable them. Changes apply immediately, so you can experiment and see what you like before closing the panel. Now, if you'd rather control what opens on a new tab instead of just how it looks, head into Brave's main settings. Click the Browser menu, go to Settings, and then open the Get Started section. Here, you can choose whether a new tab shows your homepage or a completely blank page. A blank page is perfect if you want maximum speed and no visual clutter. Choosing homepage gives you a consistent landing spot every time you open a new tab. To make that homepage open a specific site, connect it to a custom URL. In the left sidebar of Settings, go to Appearance and find the Show Home button option. Turn it on, then select the choice that lets you enter a custom web address. Type or paste the exact URL you want Brave to treat as your homepage. Once that's set, go back to Get Started and make sure new tabs are set to use your homepage. From now on, every new tab will take you straight to that custom address. If you ever want to switch between a curated dashboard and a focused blank page, just revisit those same settings. And remember, the Customize button on the new tab itself is perfect for quick visual tweaks, while the settings routes are best for controlling where new tabs lead. That's it. With these options, you can keep Brave's new tab page as clean or as informative as you like, and even point it to a specific site whenever you open a new tab.